Hey man, what you driving?
Rally racing, I've never done rally racing, but so basically everything you do in drifting came from rally. You know, we kind of started it, and then I teach at drift school as well.
What do you do?
So we operate a rally training facility in northern New Hampshire. We teach everybody whatever it is they need to know how to go race a rally car on stage and not crash and, you know, make a big kind of expensive mistake. So we do a 5-day program. We start in front wheel drive cars, move to all-wheel drive, and then eventually into rear-wheel drive cars on real roads with real consequences, you know, showing you guys the way of rally, basically.
Nice.
It's a really good time, some of the most fun you really could have with a car. Sticker, bro? What kind of stage is this? What's that? What stage class is this? Oh, I think it's like a 2+3. Wow. Rally racing car. I know.
Stay tuned for more episodes of
Hey man, what you driving?